And so here's my list. Working out with a trainer 3 times a week, 6 a.m. or getting out for a good walk. Like today I was out for a walk at 5:45, just getting fresh air. And I love it. Other activities like biking or somehow moving outside, it does it for me. For my mind, journaling and updating my to-do list. I know it sounds basic, updating a to-do list. Man, that's therapeutic for me. It's so powerful. And again, generally I have too many things going on. I'm always prioritizing and reprioritizing. And then adventure with loved ones. I just came back from a trip with my son. He's a F1 race fan, went to Miami to go see a car race and did a bunch of other stuff down there. But I love adventures and travel and things like that. And then pushing my limits, like motorsport type stuff. The other thing I've added that I realized now that I'm in my 50s, also real downtime. My life is incredibly busy, nonstop, generally 12 hours a day, every single day of the week. And I love it. But I also need downtime just to recover. Otherwise, it's a bit too much, which that's an addition. That wasn't there in my 30s. Maybe if I had that in my 30s, I wouldn't have burnt out so much. Point is, this is my list. So this will be on the handout we send you. But I'd like you just to think for a minute. What are your resilience rituals? What are those not, and you might already do them. It might be a keep doing list, or maybe you might add something to it. So what are the non-negotiables for you, for your body, for your mind, and for your spirit?